Meme coins. They're like the dolphins of the crypto ocean, playful, popular, and a bit unpredictable. Who could forget the meteoric rise of Dogecoin, a coin that started as a joke but quickly became one of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap? Or the phenomenal success of Shiba Inu? Now, what if I told you that the next big meme coin could overtake Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and still offer a potential 10x or even 20x return on your investment? It's called FLOKI INU. What's so special? Wait, FLOKI INU? Sounds like a character from a Viking saga. Well, you're not entirely wrong. FLOKI INU is indeed named after the Shiba Inu dog owned by none other than Elon Musk, who named his dog after the character Floki from the TV show Vikings. Launched in 2021, FLOKI INU was quick to make a name for itself in the crypto world. It's a decentralized crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But unlike them, FLOKI INU is a meme coin, which means it was created as a bit of a joke. But as we've seen with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, meme coins can sometimes turn into serious investments. One of the unique features of FLOKI INU is its dual blockchain compatibility. That's right, it's available on both the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and the Ethereum blockchain. This means that whether you're a fan of Binance's low fees or Ethereum's wide acceptance, you can trade FLOKI INU. And let's be honest, flexibility is king. FLOKI INU has a market cap of over $1 billion. That's pretty impressive for a coin that was launched just a few years ago. But numbers alone don't tell the whole story. What makes FLOKI INU truly special is its strong community. With over 1 million holders worldwide, FLOKI INU has one of the most active and passionate communities in the crypto world. And as any seasoned crypto investor will tell you, a strong community is often the backbone of a successful cryptocurrency. Current value price. At the time of this video, the price of FLOKI INU is around 2016. Dogecoin at its peak was around 169s in May 2021, and today it's trading around 435. That's a big drop from its peak, but it's still a respectable price for a coin that started as a joke. Shiba Inu, the so-called Dogecoin killer, made headlines when it reached an all-time high of 1,036.41 in October 2021. But today, it's trading at around $1,022. Again, that's a significant drop from its peak, but it's still a respectable price for a meme coin. So where does FLOKI INU fit into all this? Well, let's do some quick math. If you were to invest $100 in FLOKI INU today, you would get approximately 521,560 FLOKI INU tokens. Now let's say FLOKI INU pulls a Dogecoin and reaches a peak price of 169. Your $100 investment would now be worth a staggering $359 million. Okay, I know that's a big expectation. You might be wondering why we're so bullish on FLOKI INU. Well, there are several reasons. FLOKI INU has already burned 58% of its total supply. Now, for those of you who are new to the crypto world, burning is when a certain amount of a cryptocurrency's total supply is intentionally removed from circulation. This creates scarcity, which can drive up the price of the remaining coins. Imagine you're at a concert and there are only a limited number of tickets available. The fewer tickets there are, the more valuable they become, right? The same principle applies to crypto. The fewer coins there are available for trade, the more valuable they become. With 58% of its total supply already burned, there's less FLOKI INU available for trade. This scarcity could potentially drive up the price of FLOKI INU, making it a lucrative investment. As we said earlier, FLOKI INU also has strong community support, which is a crucial factor for the success of any cryptocurrency. A strong community can often be the difference between a successful cryptocurrency and a failed one. Let's not forget here that FLOKI INU is a real-world utility. Unlike many other meme coins, FLOKI INU is not just a meme. It has real-world use cases. This adds to its value and sets it apart from other meme coins. FLOKI sister project. Now there's a twist here. FLOKI INU isn't just a lone wolf in the crypto world. It has a sister project that's equally exciting and innovative. Allow me to introduce you to Token Fee. It's like the Hermione Granger to FLOKI INU's Harry Potter. Smart, resourceful, and plays a crucial role in the story. And just like Hermione, it's here to school us on the magic of decentralized finance. TokenFi is an all-in-one tokenization platform, enabling users to launch tokens or tokenize real-world assets, RWA, effortlessly. If you're not familiar with this term, well, tokenization is the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. Think of it like turning a physical concert ticket into a digital one. It's the same ticket, just in a different format. TokenFi is designed to make the creation of tokens and the tokenization of assets as easy as pie. With a user-friendly, what you see is what you get interface, it allows even the most tech-challenged among us to generate tokens in minutes. TokenFi is taking on the tokenization and RWA industry, which is projected to be a $16 trillion industry by 2030. That's right, 16 trillion. That's more than the GDP of China, the second largest economy in the world. TokenFi recently teamed up with Carbon Browser, one of the fastest and most popular Web3 browsers out there. With over 7.3 million downloads, Carbon Browser is mainly used on Android devices, but is gearing up to expand to iOS, macOS, and PC. This partnership is a big deal, boosting TokenFi's reach to millions of crypto and tech-savvy users in over 100 countries, especially in India and the United States. Answering the burning question. Okay, so of course, the burning question that's been on everyone's mind is, will FLOKI INU and TokenFi continue to dominate and make huge moves in the crypto bull market? And could FLOKI INU be the next Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin? Well, let's start with the first part of the question. FLOKI INU and TokenFi have certainly made a splash in the crypto world. With FLOKI INU's impressive market performance and TokenFi's innovative platform, they've both shown that they're not just another flash in the pan. But will they continue to dominate and make huge moves in the crypto bull market? As we've mentioned before, FLOKI INU has one of the most active and passionate communities in the crypto world. With a market cap of over 1 billion, it also offers real-world utility. So, based on these factors, it's certainly possible, and we believe that FLOKI INU and TokenFi could continue to dominate and make huge moves in the crypto bull market. Now, on to the second part of the question. Could FLOKI INU be the next Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin? We know Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have both achieved incredible success, reaching market caps of billions of dollars and gaining millions of holders worldwide. They've also both benefited from high-profile endorsements, with celebrities like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban expressing their support for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu being listed on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. So, could FLOKI INU reach the same heights? Honestly, it's a very high bar, but FLOKI INU has many of the same ingredients that made other meme coins successful. It definitely has the potential to outshine them. How to buy FLOKI INU? Alright, if you're a beginner and interested in buying FLOKI INU, here's a step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges out there, but for buying FLOKI INU, we recommend Binance, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Gate.io. These platforms list FLOKI INU and are known for their user-friendly interfaces and robust security measures. Once you've chosen your exchange, of course, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing your email address and verifying your identity. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication if it's available. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Most exchanges accept a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and even other crypto. Choose the method that works best for you, and deposit enough funds to cover the amount of FLOKI INU you want to buy, plus any transaction fees. Now comes the fun part of buying FLOKI INU. On your chosen exchange, search for FLOKI INU or FLOKI. This should take you to the trading page for FLOKI INU. Here you can see the current price of FLOKI INU and place your order. Simply enter the amount of FLOKI INU you want to buy. Review the details of your order and click Buy. And voila! You're now the proud owner of FLOKI INU. Your FLOKI INU tokens will be stored in your exchange wallet, where you can hold them, sell them, or transfer them to another wallet. And that's a wrap. So, what are your thoughts on FLOKI INU? Do you think it could be the next big meme coin? Are you planning to invest in it? Drop your comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on Is ETH a Security? All you need to know about the SEC versus Ethereum. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.